Hi, I'm Ava.
And she is the reason the Magstrap Mini came to life. So, what is the Magstrap Mini bracelet keychain? So this is what it looks like. It is a bracelet keychain. It slips around the wrist, super soft vegan leather, so comfy. But our bracelet keychains come apart. So they are magnetic as well. So if you find yourself with no pockets, the magnets will secure through your material without damaging it, so you can carry your work badges, keys, or any of your smaller essentials from your outfit. They will loop and secure around any bag strap, so backpacks, luggage, hang your stuff. You can even take this, loop this around a grocery cart or stroller and hang your bag from it, so it even turns into a bag hanger, which is amazing. But then you can simply just use it to secure around your bag for your keys, so no more digging in your bag for your keys. So the magnets will attract wherever there's metal, you can hang it. So it obviously attracts to metal, so slap it up on your refrigerator, file cabinets, gym equipment, so it actually holds your stuff and hangs your stuff. So it's totally a game changer in accessories. I actually come home at the end of the day, slap it on my fridge. I don't lose my keys anymore, so it keeps me organized and I know where my stuff is, but then I'll take it from my outfit to my bag, so it transitions beautifully. And then if you're out and about dining, you can hang it wherever there's metal or loop and secure. So it holds your stuff, it hangs your stuff, it keeps you hands-free. So totally a game changer in accessories. It's a super simple concept, but it does so much. So amazing, amazing gifts, but honestly, just grab one for yourself.